My name is Jan Mirwald and I work as production engineer for Daikin. Daikin is a leading air conditioning manufacturer with particular attention to innovations, technological optimization and environment. Our factory in Pilsen produces over 2 million air conditioning units per year. Just like other companies, we also experience lack of manpower these days. That's why we focus on process automation to fulfill our production plans with continuous attention to high product quality. Recently, we have decided to automate a mid-assembly quality check process on one of our assembly lines. It is a test of heat exchanger integrity. Precision of robot guidance had to be ±1 mm, so it was difficult to find suitable vision-based solution. Luckily, we were recommended to consult Photoneo by representatives of Nissin. Following the successful testing conducted by Photoneo, their team delivered the solution to our plant in Pilsen and made our production more effective and economical.
With our trajectory correction application, we detect the position of heat exchanger and accordingly change the predefined trajectory of sniffing detector. Daikin provided an input in the form of program trajectories per each type of heat exchanger, and Photoneo team implemented it into adjustable program communicating with UR5 robot that Daikin chose for this application. The heat exchanger, first pressurized with helium, comes to a leak detection cell on a conveyor belt placed randomly. In the cell, PhoXi 3D scanner scans the object. The scan serves to navigate the sniffing detector very precisely and carefully along a complex and fragile surface of the heat exchanger without damaging it. The whole solution is demanding in terms of working with the glossy aluminium surfaces, configuration, scanner preciseness and localization algorithms. Moreover, the component geometry of particular pieces on the conveyor belt is often not identical, so robust logic has to be implemented to reflect this. The manipulation of the robotic arm with the detector as a tool has to be very gentle and precise due to formability of the thin metal material the parts are made of. Last but not least, the solution is deployed in a production line with a variable production plan, which means there are several types of heat exchangers subject to quality check, not just one.